Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: device updated and screen brightness set to normal. Next, open display or night shift settings and locate the blue light filter. Enable it now so you're working with live feedback. Choose a schedule option immediately: manual, sunset to sunrise, or a fixed window like 22:00 to 07:00, and set a modest starting intensity of 20 to 40%. Once done, observe color shift for a minute and make small adjustments rather than big jumps to avoid miscalibrating your eyes. Now you refine the filter. Adjust color warmth progressively to balance comfort and color accuracy. Warmer settings reduce blue light but can alter how colors appear, so increase warmth for evening and lessen it for daytime tasks. Make use of app-level overrides to maintain fidelity in photo editing or video playback. Enable them only when required. Once adjusted, run quick tests across common tasks: browsing, document editing, media, to ensure legibility and that colors remain acceptable. Finish by saving distinct presets for day and night so you can switch quickly. Back them up when possible. Monitor your sleep quality and any eye strain for 1 to 2 weeks, and then adjust intensity or timing based on what you observe. If things go wrong, colors shift oddly or the filter won't toggle, restart the device first, then verify app-level overrides and reset display settings as a fallback. If a hardware color profile is active, disable it before retrying so you isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.